How to adjust WhatsApp call volume. This tutorial shows you how to control the audio volume during WhatsApp calls. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, once you're in the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Following that, look for the Volume section and tap on it. Now, you'll see different volume sliders for ringtone, media, notifications, and system sounds. Moving forward, you can also enable Use Volume keys for media under the volume settings. Afterwards, go back to your home screen and open the WhatsApp application. In addition to that, you'll be taken to the WhatsApp Chats page where all your conversations are displayed. Once there, open any chat from your conversation list. Subsequently, in the chat, go to the top right corner and tap on the audio call icon to call this person. Moreover, you can also tap on the video call icon if you prefer a video call instead. Afterwards, while in the call, you can use the volume buttons on the side of your device to adjust the audio volume. Then, press the volume up button to increase the volume and make the caller's voice louder. Within the call, press the volume down button to lower the volume if it's too loud. Alternatively, you can also adjust the in-call volume by tapping the speaker icon to enable or disable speakerphone mode. Once you've set your preferred volume level, it will remain the same for future WhatsApp calls. And that's it. If this call volume guide helped you hear better on WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for new content. See you in the next one.